Removal of factory heat mats. Then you can see the water spout and water pipes. Separate them. Remove the water pipes. Loosen the nut of the hood. Then you can remove the original hood. Remove the water spout from the original hood. And put it to the carbon fiber hood. Measure and mark the mounting position. Use a suitable tool to cut holes in the marked positions. Install the water spout. If there is an error in the mounting position, you can trim the mounting holes appropriately until the parts can be installed correctly. After that, you can put the hood on the car carefully. Install the hood on support rod with the screws. Use suitable shims if required. Please do not lock the screws completely, that the position can be adjusted. Ideally, it should not be able to move freely, but be able to be pushed into position by hand. Carefully close the hood and observe the edge gaps. Adjusting the hood position. Also, you can move the fenders to match. After adjusting the gap, you can lock the screws. Remove the latch from the original hood and install to the carbon fiber hood. Remove the buckle which, with the water pipe, from the original hood. Make holes in the carbon fiber hood at the right place to install the buckle and fix the water pipe. At last, adjust the hood pads to the right height.